Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. We have purchased one LED light 40 watts bulb here, and let's unbox it and see how it is. Just I unbox it. Wow! But this is the bulb, and I take out bulb from the box. There is nothing more in the box, only bulb is provided, and let's keep the box aside, and you are seeing here the bulb. Okay, this is a 40 watts bulb, LED bulb. It was very nice, the design was very nice, and now we will fix it in the holder and see how it lights up. Yes, see here, we replaced it, and now let us check how it glows. I turn on the switch now. Just wait. Wow, very nice. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.